Thank you, far too kind.
Yeah, ready? Let's go. Can I get an encore? Do you want more?
Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. Yeah. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, make some noise. Who you know fresher than Hoover? Riddle me that. The rest of y'all know where I'm lyrically at. Can't none of y'all mirror me back. Yeah, hear me rap, it's like hand G rapping his prime. I'm young H.O., raps Grateful Dead, back to take over the globe. Now break bread, I'm in Boeing Jets, Global Express. Out the country, but the blueberries still connect. On the low, but the yacht got a triple deck. But when you young, what you expect? Yep. Grand opening, grand closing. Bam your manhole, crack the can open again. Who you gonna find open a him with no pen? Just draw inspiration. Who you gonna see you can't replace him with cheap imitations of these generations. Hardcore, do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. Yeah. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, make some noise.
What the hell are you waiting for?
Look what you made me do, look what I made for you. Knew if I paid my dues, how will they pay you? When you first come in the game, they try to play you. Then you drop a couple of hits, look how they wave to you. From Marcy to Madison Square, to the only thing that matters is just a matter of years. As fate would have it, J status appears to be at an all-time high. Perfect time to say goodbye. When I come back like Jordan, wearing the 4-5. It ain't to play games with you, it's to aim at you, probably maim you. If I owe you, I'm blowing you to smithereens. Sucker, take one for your team, and I need you to remember one thing. I came, I saw, I conquered. From record sales, sold out concerts. Shmup, you want this encore? I need you to scream till your lungs are sore. Come on.
I'm tired of being what you want me to be. Feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, but under the pressure of walking in your shoes.
And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there. Cause all I do is win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Ludacris going in on the verse, cause I never been defeated and I won't stop now. Keep your hands up, get them in the sky for the homies that ain't make it in my program. I never went nowhere, but they saying Luda's back. Blame it on that contour, the hood call it Luda-yak. And I'm on this foolish track, so I spit my foolish flow. My hands go up and down, my verses still be serving. Last time on a college remix, now I'm on the original version. Can't never count me out, y'all better count me in. Got 20 bank accounts, accountants count me in. Make millions every year, the South's champion. Cause all I Cruising in my low-low, head on the swivel, you know serving me's a no-no. Clean as a whistle as I pull out in my Rolls Royce. Yellow bone passenger, they see it, they say, oh boy. Tell Kelly, back it up, my call me loco. Down for armed trafficking, don't make me pull that. Ask you what you laughing at, represent that mud life. Dirty money, better get your mud right. We come together holding hands and holler hood life. We all strapping all black, it's like life.
All we do is win.
You riding or what? Cause we riding tonight. Now she riding with me cause you wasn't riding.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get it up. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Up, down, up, down. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Heat in the kitchen, pot on the stove, water getting boiled. Being sold, Snoopy in the hookie, system overload. I've been running this rap game since I was 20 years old. I hung with the worst of them, bust till I burst them up, floss them up, toss them up, harder work, close them up. Pardon me, I'm bossing up, brace you up, bless you bro, don't mess with us. We like the U in the 80s, back to back, set a track, hit the limit. While I'm sipping on this gin, Al Davis said it best, just win, baby, win.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get it up. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Up, down, up, down. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, man. I just do what the doers do. Come on, yeah, you heard it, man. I just do what the doers do. Now I've been making hits since underage. Contract intact, can be underpaid. This ain't a game, I ain't come to play. Don't front for me, I ain't from the A. Don't you wanna hear what I come to say? This just the kid, you know me from before. Prices go up when I come in the store. I'm in another island in a bungalow. A diesel down to my underclothes. Hate like a cat that was undersold. I get it back in 100-fold. I'm feel like a man that was from the road. And y'all know that I will bring you out. And when I'm talking you don't know a thing about. Bring Modina's out, take a scenic route. Betting against me, it's bound to clean you out. This is for all of my people who stood beside me and still believe. Don't let it get on this. Forget about it. Shopping sprees. Yeah, take that. It's hard to get low in a 360 Spider, license plates, all the chicks know. Cats walk around buffed up like beach guys, but they don't put no fear in these eyes. B-side, I'm just here to teach lives. Girl walk around, try to give me the slide. The ice on my arm, it gave me all away. I roll up the tent, top up and roll away. I smell like money, let the older stay. Go in my closet, further throw away. I'm never lost, I already know the way. If I need it for the night, I get it for the day. I'm God made, I took 5 years parlay, home pool arcade, and it's all paid, what's saved? I spent a third on the upgrades, import palm trees, cause I ain't have enough shade. This is for all of my people who stood beside me and still believe. Drop top cars and SUVs, G5 flights and shopping sprees. This is where you wanna be. This is life familiar. And when the record plays, what will the haters say? Oh, don't you be afraid, cause I'm your alibi. So when I'm driving by, don't try to analyze it. Because of him, I'ma still be fly, and it's our lullaby. Come on now, you
know my flow, I'm in and out, non-guilty, I ain't got to buy the trial. Couple of critics, but I ain't gon' stop now. I got a plane to catch to be in Moscow. I'm on jets, they doing sky miles, so I see why the people so hostile. There's no drama, it's more honor. I'm wanted in the world like I was Osama. This is no exaggeration. Why these people so mad at Mason? This is for all of my people who stood beside me and still believe. Drop top cars and SUVs, G5 flights and shopping sprees. This is where you wanna be. This is life familiar. This is for all of my people who stood beside me and still believe. Drop top cars and SUVs, G5 flights and shopping sprees. This is where you wanna be. This is La Familia.
Well, it was drawn up for me to go long, but then we seen that they was sagging, so I had to come and get the ball. And then I felt it.
Jump around, jump around, jump up and get down. Jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 jump. I'll serve your ass like John McEnroe. If your girl steps up, I'm smacking the hoe. Word to your moms, I came to drop bombs. I got more rhymes than the bottles got songs. And just like the prodigal son, I've returned. Anyone stepping on me, you'll get burned. Cause I got lyrics, but you ain't got none. If you come to battle, bring a shotgun. But if you do, you're a fool, cause I do to the death. Trying to step to me, you take your last breath. I got the skill, come get your fill. Cause when I shoot the gift, I shoot the kill. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down. Jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 jump. I'm the cream of the crop, I rise to the top. I never eat a pig cause a pig is a cop. Or better yet, a Terminator, like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Trying to play me out like as if my name was Sega. But I ain't going out like no perk, bitch. Get used to one style AO when I might switch it up and around. Then buck, get down, put out your head and then you wake up in the dawn of the dead. I'm coming to get ya, I'm coming to get ya. Spitting out lyrics, homie, I want ya. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down. Jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 This is dedicated to
Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, on to North Carolina, Philadelphia, Virginia. From down in Miami where it's warm in the winter, on up to Minnesota where it's storm in the winter. Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Memphis, 10, holla at me. B&H-Town, Southside, Cloverland, Daddy, I'm the man out in Dallas. Better ass Cali, Catman, Cali with my eyes open valley. Blowing that spinning, going down Vinny. Drop 6, 4, 3, wheel and switch it. Red light stop, make it drop up. Block 4, 5, blow your head out with it. Anything you hear that I said, I meant it. Can't got the crown, then spit out with it. Say you need bricks, I said I get it. If you want to, we can supply you. Got enough work to feed the whole town. They won't shoot you unless you try to. Come around and try to stop on our ground, 'cause we taking over. Said we taking over.
From the boys basketball team, Nerman Topolovic, Abdi Deontay
I fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment I'm king. In this very moment I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment I bring, put it on everything, that I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica. Queens and it's crazy, cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up, it's a celebration every time we link up. We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we on the brink of. I wish that I could have this moment for life. For life, for life. 'Cause in this moment I just feel so alive. Alive, alive. I wish that I could have this moment for life. For life, for life. This is my moment, I just feel so alive.
Tell them hoes bow, bow, bow to me, drop down to your knees. Young money, the mafia, that's where the love sees. I'm in the Dominican, Big Papi Ortiz, doing target practice, all these bitches just aiming to please. Shout out to the CEO, 500 degrees. Shout out to the OVO, Red Wings and Fatigues. Ah, niggas wanna be friends, how coincidental. This supposed to be our year, we ain't get the memo. A young king, pay me a gold. 40 got a bunch of weed, he ain't even roll. These niggas be dropping songs, they ain't even cold. Weezy on top and that nigga ain't even home yet. Yeah, be very afraid. These other rappers getting bodied and carried away. Ooh, yeah, you a star in my eyes. You and all them white girls, party of 5. Are we drinking alone or I can hardly decide? I can't believe we really made it, I'm partly surprised. I swear, damn, this one for the books. I'm really trying to make it more than what it is. Cause everybody dies, but not everybody lives.
That I could have this moment for life. For life, for life. In this moment I just feel so alive. Alive, alive. I wish that I could have this moment for life. For life, for life. This is my moment, I just feel so alive. This is my moment. I waited all my life. I could tell it. time. Drifting away, I'm one with the sunset. I have become alive. I wish that I could have this moment for life. For life. For life. 'Cause in this moment I just feel so alive. 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 I wish that I could have this moment for life. For life. For life. This is my moment, I just feel so alive. Alive.
Sometimes you just feel tired, feel weak. And when you feel weak, you feel like you wanna just give up. But you gotta search within you. Try to find that inner strength and just pull that shit out of you. And get that motivation to not give up and not be a quitter. No matter how bad you wanna just fall flat on your face.
Till I collapse, I'm spilling these raps. Long as you feel them to the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. 'Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop sending them. Women are caught in webs, spin them in hawk venom. Adrenaline shots, the penicillin could not get the illin to stop. Amoxicillin's just not real enough. The criminal cop killing hip-hop, filling a minimal swap to cop millions of pop listeners. You're coming with me, feel it or not, you're gonna fear it like I showed you. The spirit of God lives in us. You hear it a lot, lyrics to shock. Is it a miracle or am I just product of pop? Listen up, but sizzle my whistle, this is the plot. Listen up, you pistols for God, Slizzle does not give up.
Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't trip, till the smoke goes out, am I high? I'ma rip this till my bone, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke goes out, am I high? I'ma rip this till my bone.
Music is like magic. There's a certain feeling you get when you reel and you spit, and people are feeling it. This is your moment, and every single minute you spend trying to hold on to it, 'cause you may never get it again. So while you're in it, try to get as much as you can. And when your run is over, just admit when it's in its end. 'Cause I'm at the end of my wits with half the shit that gets in. I got a list, here's the order of my list that it's in. It goes Reggie, Jay-Z, Tupac, and Biggie, Andre from Outkast, Jada, Corrupt, Nas, and Thimmy. But in this industry, I'm the cause of a lot of envy. So when I'm not put on this list, this shit does not offend me. That's why you see me walk around like nothing's bothering me. Even though half you people got a problem with me. You hate it, but you know respect you got to give me. The presence wet dream like Bob and your Whitney. Nay, hit me.
Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't trip, till the smoke goes out, am I high? I'ma rip this till my bone, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't trip, till the smoke goes out, am I high? I'ma rip this till my bone.
Soon as a verse starts, I eat it at MC's heart. What is he thinking? Not to go against me, smart, and it's absurd how people hang on every word. I probably never get the props I feel I ever deserve, but I'll never be served. My spot is forever reserved. If I ever leave Earth, that would be the death of me first. 'Cause in my heart.
us, and it's just a team that has something to it. It has it. We're not very big, we're not experienced, we're not very deep, but we just play great together.
I just felt I needed to step up and be more of a captain like I am, and since I'm the more experienced player, I had to step up.
I just thank my coach and thank God for all the success we had.
Never been a nigga this good for this long, this hood, or this pop, this hot, or this strong, with so many different flows. This one's for this song, the next one I switch up, this one will get bit up. These fucks too lazy to make up shit, they crazy, they don't paint pictures, they just trace me. You know what? Soon they forget where they pluck, they whole style from them try to reverse the outcome. I'm like, I'm not a biter, I'm a writer for myself and others. I say a big verse, I'm only bigging up my brother, bigging up my brother. I'm big enough to do it, I'm that thorough, plus I know my own flow is foolish. So bring them out, it's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. New sneakers, new cedars, few divas, what can I tell you? Let me spell it for you, W-I-L-L-I-E, nobody truer than H-O-V. And I'm back for more, New York's ambassador, Prime Minister, back to finish my business up. Moving wet off the step, purple rain in the drought. Stunting on hoes, brushing off my shirt, but ain't nothing on my clothes except my chain. My name, Young H.O., pitch to Yay Faithful. Even if they patrol, I make payroll. Ben's paid for, friends they roll. Private jet down the church with Chris K-Slow. Nigga, one life to live, I can't let a day go by without me being fly, fresh to death. Head to toe to the day I rest. And I don't wear jerseys, I'm 30 plus. Give me a crisp pair of jeans, nigga, button ups. S-dots on my feet, make my cycle complete. What more can I say, Google, play the beat. We gon' let this ride into the hook. I'ma snap my fingers on this. What more can I
con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Thanks, Coach, for everything. You know I'm gonna be here next year. Your favorite player.
Thanks, Coach. You know, for everything. We want CIF with your support.
I just wanted to say that we started from the bottom. Now we here.
Yeah. Thank you, Coach, for everything. I'm gonna be here next year. You feel me? To repeat CIF. And then we better win state. So, all right, love you.
I said I love my team, Coach Ollie, all the coaching staff. Same thing Brady's like said, started from the bottom, now we here.
Coach Ollie, I just want to say thank you for one hell of a senior year. I appreciate it, and I can actually finally say I'm a CIF champion, and I would like to thank you, and I love you for that. Thank you.